In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often find ourselves burdened by the weight of responsibilities, expectations, and the constant rush of modern living. It's amidst this chaos that the phrase "drain yourself and witness the unfolding" beckons like a whisper of possibility, a promise of something extraordinary waiting to be discovered. Imagine a moment where you consciously release the accumulated pressures that have settled within you. Picture a serene scene where the floodgates open, allowing all the stress, worries, and self-imposed limitations to gently drain away. As you embark on this journey of self-liberation, the magic begins to unfold in ways you might never have anticipated. The first step is acknowledging the need to unburden yourself. Picture it as if you were carrying a backpack filled with rocks, each representing a concern or stressor. Now, imagine unzipping that backpack and watching as each rock falls away, disappearing. As the weight lessens, a sense of lightness permeates your being. You're no longer tethered to the heaviness of the past, the anxieties of the present, or the uncertainties of the future. With each passing moment, the act of draining yourself becomes an intentional release, a deliberate choice to let go of the negativity that has lingered within. It's a conscious decision to make space for positivity, growth, and, most importantly, as you shed the layers of stress and self-doubt, you create an open canvas for the enchantment that awaits. The magic doesn't unfold instantaneously, but rather in a gradual, subtle dance with your newfound sense of freedom. Imagine walking through a dense forest, feeling the cool breeze as it rustles the leaves overhead. The sunlight breaks through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. This is the metaphorical landscape of your liberated self, where the gentle magic of life's wonders begins to reveal itself. As you continue to drain yourself of the negativity, you might notice a heightened sense of awareness. The world around you becomes more vibrant, and you start to see beauty in the simplest of things: a blooming flower, the laughter of a child, or the warmth of a sunbeam on your face. The magic lies in this newfound appreciation for the ordinary, turning everyday moments into extraordinary experiences. This process of draining oneself is not about emptying for the sake of emptiness. It's about creating space for what truly matters. Just as a cup must be emptied before it can be filled with a refreshing elixir, draining yourself allows for the infusion of positivity, creativity, and joy. The emptying is a prelude to the filling of your life with the magic that unfolds when you make room for it. Imagine standing on the precipice of a cliff, overlooking a vast and boundless horizon. As you gaze into the distance, you realize that the canvas of your life is expansive, ready to be painted with the colors of your choosing. The draining process has cleared the clutter, leaving behind a canvas that is primed and prepared for the masterpiece of your existence. In this newfound space, you may discover hidden talents, passions, or dreams that were overshadowed by the noise of daily life. The magic lies in the rediscovery of your authentic self and embracing the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Perhaps you uncover a love for painting, writing, or dancing, activities that ignite your soul and bring a sense of purpose. As you continue to witness the unfolding magic, you may find that the relationships in your life undergo a transformation as well. The act of draining yourself allows for a more authentic connection with others. You become present in your interactions, listening with intent and sharing genuine moments of connection. The magic lies in the deepening of these relationships, in the shared laughter, support, and understanding that flourishes when you bring your true self to the table. In the wake of this transformation, a profound sense of gratitude may wash over you. The magic of gratitude lies not only in acknowledging the positive aspects of your life, but also in finding appreciation for the challenges and lessons that shaped you. Gratitude becomes a beacon, guiding you toward a life filled with contentment and fulfillment. As you stand at the intersection of self-discovery and the unfolding magic, you may realize that the journey is ongoing. Life's enchantment continues to reveal itself in myriad ways, in the pursuit of new goals, the exploration of uncharted territories, and the deepening of connections with both yourself and others. The act of draining yourself becomes a cyclical dance, a continuous process of letting go and making room for the ever-evolving magic that life has to offer. The invitation to drain yourself, witness the unfolding magic, is an empowering call to action. It's a reminder that within each of us lies the capacity to release the burdens that weigh us down and to create space for the extraordinary. As you embark on this journey of intentional liberation, you'll find that the magic unfolds not just around you, but within you, revealing a life that is rich with meaning, purpose, and boundless possibilities.